Hello children, welcome to the online EBS class of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Asha Santosh, your EBS teacher. Let us start today's session. Today we are going to do the revision for the lesson 3, Air, Water and Weather. Name 3 gases which are present in the air. Which are they? Yes, oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Children, which gas is necessary for us to breathe? Yes, oxygen. Then which is the toxic gas? Yes, carbon dioxide. So children, write these 3 words 5 times in backside of your notebook. Where do harmful gases in the air come from? And what harm do they cause? Let us discuss. First one, where do harmful gases in the air come from? Yes, the harmful gases are coming from vehicles and factories. The next question, what harm do they cause? Yes, they pollute the air, and when we breathe in this polluted air, we can fall sick. Next is about forms of water. What are the 3 forms of water? Solid, liquid and gas. The solid form of water is ice. The liquid form of water is water itself. Then the gaseous form of water is water vapor. So children, write these all words in backside of your notebook 5 times. These forms of water will change through some processes. They are evaporation, condensation, freezing and melting. Children, what will happen in evaporation? Yes, in evaporation, water changes into water vapor. In condensation, water vapor changes into water. Then what about freezing? In freezing, water changes into ice, and in melting, ice changes into water. In these 4 processes, evaporation and melting occurs due to heating of water, and condensation and freezing occurs due to cooling of water. Water changes its form in nature too. It leads to the water cycle. Children, what is water cycle? Yes, the repeated change of water to water vapor and then back to water is called the water cycle. Let's discuss in detail. Children, the heat of the sun warms the water in water bodies like seas, rivers and lakes. The water evaporates to form water vapor, mixes with air and rises up. High above the ground, the air is cool. The water vapor cools and condenses to form tiny drops of water. These drops gather together to form clouds. When the clouds pass through cooler air, they get cooled further. The water drops join together to become bigger. When they become very big, they fall to the ground as rain. The rainwater flows back into rivers, lakes and seas. That means the water bodies, where it again changes to water vapor. This repeated change of water to water vapor and then back to water is called the water cycle. Children, sometimes when the air is very cold, the water droplets in the clouds freeze to form ice. The ice then falls as hail or snow. Next is weather. Children, what does weather depend on? Yes, weather depends on the sun, air and water. Very good. Next, how is wind formed? When the sun shines, it heats up the land. The air becomes warm and rises up. Cool air from the surroundings rushes in to take the place of warm air. Wind is formed when air moves from one place to another in this manner. Children, what are the 3 different types of wind? Yes, breeze, gale and storm. Breeze is a gentle wind. Then gale is a strong wind. Then what about storm? When the wind moves with great speed and there is heavy rain, it is called a storm. Next is about seasons. How many seasons are there in India? Yes, 3 seasons. They are summer, rainy season and winter. First one is summer. It is very hot during summer. The days are long and warm. People like to stay inside and drink plenty of cold drinks. The next one is rainy season. It rains a lot. The wind blows and the clouds are dark grey in color. Then winter. The days are short. In many parts of India, it is very cold. During winter, people wear woolen clothes to keep warm. It snows in some parts of India. But in other parts, it is not cold even during winter. Children, we have finished the revision for 3rd chapter also. Next, you have to study lesson 4 for the next class, as we are going to do revision for lesson 4 in next class. Hope all of you can follow my class and also practice the question answer in your rough book and study well. We'll see you in our next class. Take care and goodbye.